Ito yung sa MOA Sky. Dito kami sa pinakamataas. Ganito yung ano niya. Ito siya. Ang ganda pala dito sa taas. Parang tower siya. Aba, tower talaga. Pero ang taas. Ano ba ito? 5th floor yata o 4th floor? Tapos ito yung... Di ba? Ang ganda. Sa pinakamataas. My gosh. Ano nga daw? MOA Amphitheater. Oh, di ba? May airplane pa, oh. Lapit-lapit na ng airplane. Di ba? Ang galing, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Ayan guys. Parang park siya. MOA Sky. Kaya pala MOA Sky. Kasi dito sa taas. Dito na ako.
Will help you in the short term, but it will hurt
Sky.
in the long run even more.
Grabe.
From someone whose job is perfect, I can tell you
Daig pa yung
it's not worth
Tagaytay.
it to pretend. The false image of perfection that we put out to the world is not worth the sacrifice of who we are. It's not worth your mental, emotional, physical. As a guru, so I would fail tests, but it was not because I was not smart. It was because hindi ko mabasa yung tanong. So I promise you, it's not worth it to hide your wounds again. It's only gonna
MOA Amphitheater. O, diba?
But I do want to say that there's hope
Ang
to
ganda
all of
siya.
this.
Nasa sky
It's
kami.
not worth
Nasa
it to hide,
sky.
it's not worth it to pretend. But can I tell you what is worth it?
Ano na, Frenny ko. Ano na.
This is what's worth it. I want to show this last slide. These are some very, very special.
Titingnan natin to kung ano to. Ay, ang ganda dito. Grabe. Ay, my gosh. Let's go. Maingit na naman itong mga Frenny ko. Ay, ang ganda dito. Akit ako sa taas. Oh my gosh.
We work with some of the young kids. Habang nag-service
Diba,
yung
oh.
every Sunday I'm there. That's part of just a couple parts of my team. Ito yung dating youth team namin. We would spend a lot of time with teenagers.
Yun, dito kami
This is
sa
my couple
taas.
of pastors in my life. My best friend.
Pinakamataas.
Payat ko doon. Grabe. Kasi nag-gym pa kami ng pandemic. And these are just all the people that I have to talk to. And I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed that I'm able to talk to. But I do want to say this. I say all that to say this. I
So,
know
ito,
some people
titingnan
here
natin
today,
to. Kasi, ang ganda siya. Parang
may
hagdan
konting
siya.
relate kayo,
Pababa ng
nakarinig
pababa.
kayo kahit konti sa mga nasabi ko today. I want to tell you that, yeah, I work in
Ayun,
show
o,
business.
diba?
It's just the same thing. I just
Magsi-step tayo baba. Whoops!
at times,
Yun.
but I know that the temptation to do this is really hard, and I wanted to stick. The whole message about today was authenticity. I've messed up so many times. I have been so broken, but I come here to tell you that there's hope to it, and the reason that that's worth it is because I made so many.
Time, we will also be enjoying some pretty awesome music from our musical guests. Kilala niyo na ba kung sino magpo-perform mamaya? Who are you most excited to see?
1, 2, 3.
Wala akong maintindihan. Puro kayo. No, but I am as excited as you guys are. Nakita ko sila kanina during tech rehearsal, and I must say, you guys are in for a party! But before that, our final speaker is here.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay ka daw.
Di umano,
Okay ka daw.
we have someone whose work is truly shaping a better world. She is a passionate advocate for peace,
Nakuha yung
justice,
pangalan. May natakpan siya, may natakpan sa'yo.
and a strong institution.
May board?
But before that, mamigay muna tayo ng prizes. Kala nyo ha, we are going to be giving away our GYS takeaway prizes. We got this one, and let's see the first batch of winners. Let's go. Congratulations to all of these winners here on the screen. And again, if you see your name on the screen, make sure to drop by the Coral Way entrance. Tama ba? The Coral Way entrance. There is a prize table there. I just need a confirmation for that before I make a mistake. Coral Way entrance. Yes? Yes. Ayon. All right. Let's see the second batch of winners. Our prize. Congratulations to all of our winners, and don't you worry, my guys.
Magandang hapon muli sa inyong lahat. Thank you na pumunta kayo dito. Salamat din sa mga nakatutok sa aking live streaming. Team Bahay, Team Costume, Team Lakwacha, hello, good afternoon.
Ha?
Alam niyo po, there is this one incident that I
Wait lang.
consider among the
Kaputol yung video ko.
ever experienced.
Kumila. Ay. Ayun. Saan tayo? Ah, yun. Mowa in the sky. Parang Tagaytay in the sky. Ay po, parang ano pala yun dun, no? Skating? Ano ba?
Yung soccer.
Ah, soccer. Ayun. Ganda. Biro mo.
Football.
Baka parang mga ganon. Laruan.
Alam ko ba alam?
Kasi may schedule talaga, totoo schedule talaga dito. Bawat isa na area dito. Pag nag-free time, isa lang talaga. February, isa. Sa inyo,
Tayo sa may ilog banda. Kaya silipin natin yan. Ayun, galing. Ayun, no? Anong laro yan?
Yun o, yung ano.
Anong laro yan?
Football.
Ayun, ganyan?
Oo.
Ay, sa June. Dulo. Titingnan natin to. So, ayan, pupunta kami sa dulo. Titingnan namin kung ano yun. Kasi dagat na yun eh. Yun, dagat na. So, wait lang. So, ito na. Malapit na yung dagat. At, dagat sa Mall of Asia. Ay, tinakpan! Ayun. Padapa. Patog. Siya. Ayun Ito tayo. So, ayan ang dagat. Ang sakit sa mata. Oh, ang gagawa pa.
Kondo.
Oh, dagat pa yan dyan eh. Kaya ginawa na nila ng ano. Ay, grabe. Hanggang dyan lang yan. Tapos gumawa ng ganyan. Grabe. Wala na yatang dagat to.
Ayun, kawawa yung ano eh, yung mga isda, kung meron man.
Maras na. Mga ano yan dito. Yun. Pababa. Yun. Bababa na kami. Bongga, diba? Mas lalong gumanda siya. Ops, baka madapa tayo. Silaw! Pero mo, hanggang doon pa. Ha?